Alright, this was light. Last big box. This came from California. So this is not imported. This didn't come from the Middle East like in Iowa.
That's Midwest. But close.
Middle East for me. Ooh. Good primary cover. A Harley primary cover into that damn painted crap. That's unique how they did the box like that.
That's pretty cool.
There's a 45 primary cover. A nice one. It's not all beat up or too bad. Got the normal chain rash on the bottom.
Chain rash, okay.
Yeah, I could call that chain rash. Chain's getting friendly in there. Pretty clean otherwise. It's not all rusty and crappy looking. Hopefully there's not a break right through there, but it's hard to tell. It's all doubled up. This is how the factory made everything else triple layer. So you got this layer, that layer, and this layer. Then there's like tar stuff in between to stop vibration. It's gonna rattle. So yeah, it looks nice.
That's nice.
Got just beat that with a hammer and flatten it out a little bit. Fix this area. Hope this all looks nice through here. We can actually see it. It's good. And this looks good. It's not all torn up back here. That's where it mounts to the frame. It's a nice little part. So this has got the fat clutch in it, which is 41. So it's 41 on up. So they went electric start. Put a big hole in here, electric start. That'd be 64, I think, 63, 64. First electric start Harley with a trike. So, up until that point, that's what this was on. Solos and trikes, same cover. So if you got the little narrow one, it doesn't have this piece in there. It's only like that tall. That'd be for your 40 on back stuff, or your race bike. So yeah, it's a nice part. I like that one. Way better than that painted cover. There you go.